Join me as I dive into the world of the all-new 2025 Ford Everest Wildtrak and see if it lives up to the hype. The 2025 Ford Everest Wildtrak is making waves in the SUV market, and for good reason. This vehicle promises to bring together the best of both worlds, rugged off-road capabilities and refined on-road comfort. With its bold design and impressive specs, it's no wonder that the Everest Wildtrak is generating a lot of buzz. But what really sets the Everest Wildtrak apart is its versatility. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rough terrain, this vehicle is designed to handle it all. From its advanced suspension system to its powerful engine, the Everest Wildtrak is built to deliver. For many of us, choosing the right SUV can be a daunting task. We're looking for a vehicle that can keep up with our active lifestyles, but also provide a comfortable ride and the latest tech features. The problem is, many SUVs on the market today prioritize one over the other. Some focus on performance, but sacrifice comfort and practicality. Others prioritize tech and features, but fall short on off-road capability. So what's a consumer to do? That's where the Everest Wildtrak comes in. The Everest Wildtrak is designed to address these challenges head-on. With its powerful engine and advanced suspension system, it's capable of handling even the toughest off-road terrain. But it's not just about performance. This vehicle also offers a refined and comfortable ride. When it comes to technology, the Everest Wildtrak doesn't disappoint. With features like a touchscreen infotainment system and advanced safety features, you'll be connected and protected on the road. And with its spacious interior and ample cargo space, there's plenty of room for passengers and gear. But what about the details? Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Ford Everest Wildtrak tick. The exterior design is bold and rugged, with a distinctive grille and aggressive stance. And with a range of colors to choose from, you can personalize your Everest Wildtrak to fit your style. The interior is just as impressive, with premium materials and attention to detail throughout. From the comfortable seating to the intuitive controls, every aspect of the Everest Wildtrak's design is focused on delivering a great driving experience. Under the hood, the Everest Wildtrak packs a punch. With a powerful engine and advanced transmission, this vehicle is capable of delivering impressive performance and efficiency. And with a range of drive modes to choose from, you can tailor the driving experience to suit your needs. The Everest Wildtrak also features a range of advanced safety systems, including lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring. These features are designed to help prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. In terms of off-road capability, the Everest Wildtrak is a beast. With features like four-wheel drive and an advanced suspension system, this vehicle can handle even the toughest terrain. And with a range of driving modes to choose from, you can tailor the driving experience to suit your needs. The Everest Wildtrak's infotainment system is also worth mentioning. With a range of features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can stay connected and entertained on the go. One of the most exciting features of the Everest Wildtrak is its innovative off-road capabilities. With features like hill descent control and crawl control, this vehicle can handle even the toughest terrain. The Everest Wildtrak also features a range of convenience features, including a hands-free power liftgate and a range of storage solutions. These features are designed to make life easier and more convenient. So, what really sets the Everest Wildtrak apart from its competitors? For one, its combination of off-road capability and on-road comfort is hard to beat. Additionally, its advanced safety systems and innovative tech features make it a compelling choice. The Everest Wildtrak's advanced suspension system is also a major advantage. This system is designed to deliver a smooth ride and improved handling, both on and off the road. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Everest Wildtrak is also a strong contender. With a range of engine options to choose from, you can select the one that best suits your needs. The Everest Wildtrak's towing capacity is also worth mentioning. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 3,500 pounds, this vehicle is capable of handling even the toughest towing tasks. So, what are the key takeaways from our look at the 2025 Ford Everest Wildtrak? For one, this vehicle offers a compelling combination of off-road capability and on-road comfort. The Everest Wildtrak also features a range of advanced safety systems and innovative tech features, making it a strong contender in its class. With its bold design and impressive specs, the Everest Wildtrak is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new SUV. Overall, the 2025 Ford Everest Wildtrak is an exciting vehicle that's sure to turn heads on and off the road. So, what do you think about the 2025 Ford Everest Wildtrak? Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or others like it, be sure to check out our channel for more videos.